The doorbell camera captures a child racing toward danger, and the stranger who stops time to save them.
I was driving home, and this child who must live in your neighborhood was at the corner running toward Robert's Cutoff. So I've parked my car, and I just am wondering if you know where she or he lives. Thank you.
In just seconds, a child's life nearly slipped away. But it raises a bigger question. What if no one was there to stop it? As homeowners, we can't always predict danger, but we can stay alert, protect our spaces, and never ignore the small signs that could save a life.